I forgot. Well, that's something. Doesn't sound like that starter is engaging. So, as you see, I forgot that the starter has not worked for a long time. The starter position on the key has not worked for a long time, and I had a starter switch put in separately. So, you saw once I did that, I did get power to the starter, so that problem solved. The starter, however, sounded like crap. I'm hoping that's because the battery was so bad, but it just didn't sound like it was engaging. Maybe if I get a full charge of the battery, it will. The battery right now is over at Advanced Auto Parts. They checked it for me. They said it is not dead, but it's empty, and they're putting it on their charger overnight. So tomorrow I'll get it back and see what happens then. Worst case scenario, I got to go get another starter. But at least we solved the mystery of why there was nothing to the starter. Okay, so there you go. The adventure continues. Happy day.